Stamp collecting isn't just for retirees or history professors. It's for anyone who likes beautiful artwork, wild stories, and taking a trip into the past. Let's zoom in for a second, literally, because stamps, they're miniature works of art. Engraved portraits, sweeping landscapes, famous speeches, spacewalks, secret symbols, ancient myths, legendary trains, forgotten innovators, you name it, it's probably been on a stamp. They're tiny history lessons you can hold in your hand, and they're weirdly addictive. But what really hooked me, and what keeps so many people collecting, is how personal stamp collecting is. You can collect by theme, like outer space, trains, presidents, dogs, ancient Rome, whatever. You can collect by year, country, color, mistake. Yes, printing errors are a whole rabbit hole. And once you start putting your collection together, it turns into a kind of scrapbook of your interests. So it's not just about the stamps, it's about your story. And here's a sneaky thing nobody tells you. Stamp collecting makes you smarter. Seriously. You start off just liking a cool design, and next thing you know, you're deep into the history of the Transcontinental Railroad or the symbolism of Renaissance art or how the postal system shaped American politics. You learn geography, culture, science, art, economics, propaganda, typography, everything they tried to teach you in school but never sunk in. Stamp collecting turns curiosity into a superpower. Now, real quick, let's talk about value. Yes, some stamps are worth a lot of money, but most aren't. And that's totally fine. The joy of collecting comes from the journey it takes you on, not the resale value. Chasing profits leads to burnout. Chasing passion, that keeps you having fun for years to come. If you're young and curious, stamp collecting gives you endless stuff to explore. If you're busy and need a calming hobby, it's the perfect low-pressure creative outlet. If you're feeling nostalgic, it's a great way to revisit memories and keep your brain sharp. It's not about age, it's about wonder. And if you're wondering how to start, you don't need a big budget. Just pick a topic you love, get a basic album, and start poking around online or at your local stamp shows. Follow your curiosity and let the stamps find you. So, is stamp collecting just for old people? I think you know the answer by now. It's for everyone. People who love stories, people who love beautiful artwork, people who enjoy asking why and going on a journey to find the answer. Stamp collecting is for explorers, and I don't care how old you are. If that sounds like you, welcome to the club. So if you haven't yet, jump on the bandwagon already. You'll be glad you did.